Hello and welcome. I had some questions given to me by various users as to what Java rendition they could use my software with. And apparently people prefer to use the OpenJDK, and I had originally written this software with the Oracle JDK. Now the difference between OpenJDK and Oracle JDK is that OpenJDK is completely open source, which means you have access to all of the software, and there is no requirement for commercial license. I will provide links to both the OpenJDK and the Oracle JDK on my website so that you can choose either, but both are completely usable with the software. I will admit that the OpenJDK is somewhat easier to install than the program from Oracle proper, but both will work. So today I'm using Linux 22.04 Ubuntu LTS. And as you can see, if I open up a terminal window here and I type Java version, you can see that I'm running 18.0.2, which was the most recent OpenJDK as of yesterday. It'll show you also that I've moved this to the directory where my MShots jar file lives. So if we type java-jar, and this is telling Java that you're about to execute a compiled Java program, MShots.jar. You would not need to do this on Windows or Mac. You would just have to double click on the icon for the MShots jar file, but in Linux you have to give it a command line and hit enter, and you'll see the program pop right up. So what we're going to do is we're going to put some dates in here. I don't have any data for October yet. We'll give it September 1st. And we can actually put the range through the end of October if we want. We're going to open the file that we downloaded from the Mantis website, where you export all of your data. And it tells you that there were, in this particular date range, there were 61 shots fired with an average score of 8.9, 10 is a bullseye, over the course of 8 sessions. And here are every one of the data that they imported. And if we press quadrants, you can see that it's still doing the quadrant analysis here. It's giving me a scatter graph where the blue is the bullseye and showing you that most of my shots are down and to the right. And again, lower right quadrant, 38, 62% of my shots are down and to the right. We've got to do something about that. You can also see that the analysis button works. It tells you the 61 shots. It took me an average time of 4.8 shots, or 4.8 seconds per shot. That's slow, but we do have 22% of the time, 36, I had bullseye. With 9, with a score of 9, I had 47%. So I'm hitting the target, it's just that I'm slow. So as you can see, the MShots program is working perfectly well as written originally under Oracle JDK 18, and now with the OpenJDK it works perfect. So if you want to install JDK, the OpenJDK on your computer and use that as your Java machine and Java engine, my program should run flawlessly. So I just wanted to demonstrate that you should be able to use either JDK, and hopefully you will have fun playing with the application. Have a good day. Bye.